In this video, you'll discover the theory of color design and how to make your very own 12-part color circle.
Here is one particular design where interlocking shapes indicate how colors should be mixed with each other. I will make another color wheel to explain why mixing primary colors does not always result in vivid and saturated secondary colors. Finally, the last tertiary color, yellow-green, also appears slightly better than in the previous color wheel. I would advise you to make the same color wheel design so that you can use it for the color theory exercises. This wheel will contain 12 colors, 3 primaries, 3 secondaries, and 6 tertiaries. There are also complementary colors. 2 complementary colors, when mixed together, will produce a neutral gray. There are 6 pairs of complementary colors. Such colors are located diametrically opposite each other on the color wheel.